Time now then for our last and one of our most exciting international videos at Virtual ائیرٹیٹو 2020, I should say, with some aircraft we'd really like to see here in 2021.
We, the Black Panthers, number 16 multi-role squadron, for the very first time in the history of Royal International ائیرٹیٹو, present to you the pride of Pakistan, the JF-17 Tھنڈر.
Thunder that you ride into battle. Combat proven. Conceived by an air force that is always alert. From a nation that does not back down. Flown by the best. Thunder that keeps you safe.
Hi everyone. I am Wing Commander Arshad, Officer Commanding 21 ADS Squadron, PF Base Faisal, Karachi. We were looking forward to showing you our aircraft at Royal International ائیرٹیٹو 2020. But instead, we are at the virtual ائیرٹیٹو now. Our aircraft has served Pakistan Air Force since 1963, with active participation both during war and peace, which also includes current global fight against COVID-19, proudly serving our nation and humanity.